Namaskaram. This is Purnima Rajni, founder director of NIDAM, National Institute of Dance, Art and Music. And today here, there to present the beautiful collection curated by Rajni from Reeves, the collection La Vista. And I'm extremely happy to have the creator right next to me. This is awesome creation, Rajni.
And I'm glad and happy that you're supporting me here.
I always knew as a beautiful visual artist, but I never knew this side of yours, Rajni. These collections are absolutely amazing. Then how did you come up with this concept?
I wanted to have an extension of the gallery. So I wanted art extended to the clothing. That's the starting point. I felt, I should have some kind of motives or something, signature styles of artists to be translated onto the clothing line so it is functional and you get to see them every day and you are like appreciating art.
Absolutely.
It's not just hanging on the walls, but it's on your clothes too. So each artist has their own signature style, right?
Yeah, and I'm there to cheer you up. But then when I got to know that I'll be presenting your collection, I was like, where am I going to fit in this?
Oh, you're perfect. You're perfect. And you know what, Purnima? This whole idea of individual voices or this clothing line is to have professionals from different diverse backgrounds with different personalities. They have their own. I'm sure, like you are so unique and special. The way you drape the sari with the blazer, it's absolutely amazing. So each one of us have a different style of clothing, or there is some signature. Unconsciously we tend to follow.
I know, I myself.
Yes.
And the clothes that I fit in was like absolutely second skin. I didn't have any inhibition wearing that because coming from the traditional background of Bharatnatyam, you know how we Bharatnatyam artists are so rigid. Starting from the posture and to the way we carry everything. But I'm absolutely comfortable in this collection. I don't feel like, I need to put in an extra effort to carry my persona with this collection.
And I like the way you paired it up with all the jewelry too, to have a contemporary present, though you are like,
I think this symbolizes our typical Indian contemporary women.
Yes.
Who are, at the core very, traditional, and we carry forward our all that heritage, everything, and
Yet
we are
we-
able to. This perfectly symbolizes the modern age female for me.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And the Shakti, the project was like, when you asked me to, portray one of your paintings, Satyabhama, and that was that, very feminine and very strong side of a female character. And I think all that essence is getting translated even into these clothing.
I think we are all different forms of Satyabhama, reflecting depending on the kind of situations we are
Yes.
in. So that's the beauty of, I think, being a woman, and in particularly Indian women.
Yes.
They portray a lot of characters and moods and
Correct,
duties. You're bound to do all of that. Yet you are carrying with a smile and take the pride in what you're doing. So that's about it.
And I wish you all the very best. And I'm sure every individual who's going to be in these clothing, will absolutely feel comfortable, confident, and amazing. Wishing you all the very best.